Hello everyone. In today's session, we're going to discuss about Kata Gekisai H. I know you all are familiar with this Kata Gekisai H, but since you all are at home, I think you can practice this more properly and more, what would I say, precisely with all the techniques, all the basics which we use in this Kata. So to start with, we first bow and then we say the name of the Kata, which is like this. In Kitsuki position, you bow. Kata Gekisai H. And then you begin with your Ekodachi Oi. Now the first step of this kata is turning to your left side with left feet forward Sanchandachi, left hand Jodanuke. I repeat, left feet forward, left hand Jodanuke. And then you step forward with Sanchandachi, right feet forward with the right hand Chudanzuki. Right feet Sanchandachi, right hand Chudanzuki. And then you go down with Shikodachi. Okay? So, Shikodachi, the right feet comes back. Watch here. From the punch, you come back to Shikodachi, Gidanuke. And you look that side. Your left hand is Gidanuke. Now you turn and repeat the same movement to the right hand side. You go with right feet, right hand, Sanchandachi, Jodanuke. And then you take a step forward with Sanchandachi, Chudanzuki. And from here you go back, take your left feet back with Shikodachi, right hand Gidanuke. Alright? Right hand Gidanuke. Now then you take a step forward with your left feet, left hand in Sanchandachi, Chudanuke. Remember, after Shikodachi, you're going to look in forward and take your left feet. Just take your right heel inside and step forward to Sanchandachi, Chudanuke, the middle block. Okay? The short stance followed by the middle block, Chudanuke. I would just like to remind you once again that when you're doing your short stance, your back feet is straight, front feet is inside. So, Sanchandachi, Chudanuke, one and one more time. So you do Sanchandachi, Chudanuke with your right side also. So first we did with the left. Now you come with the right, short stance, Sanchandachi, Chudanuke, middle block. The next step, you follow it up with back leg, Maigiri, which is your left feet, Maigiri. And then you step forward in Zenkus Kodachi and you do Maihejiyate. Alright, so Maigiri, Zenkus Kodachi, a long stance, followed by Maihejiyate, the elbow strike on the chest. Then you follow it up with a knuckle strike, Urakkenuchi, lower block, Gidanuke. Remember, when you're doing your knuckle strike, you are not going to use the other hand. With just the same hand movement, go down Harayuke or Gidanuke, the lower block, and do opposite hand punch and say Kiai. Alright? So we do it once again. So from here, we start with left feet, left hand, Sanchandachi, Jodanuke. Follow it up with the right feet, right hand, Sanchandachi, Chudanzuki, the middle punch. And then we take our right feet back to Shikodachi, left hand, Gidanuke. Then we move to the right side, Sanchandachi, Jodanuke. Alright? Sanchandachi, Jodanuke, right side. Step forward with the left feet, left hand, Sanchandachi, Chudanzuki. And then you take your left feet back to Shikodachi, Gidanuke with your right hand. Step forward with the left feet, left hand, Sanchandachi, Chudanuke. Then follow it up with right feet, right hand, Sanchandachi, Chudanuke. The short stance, the middle block. Go with the back leg, Maigiri. Get into Zenkus Kodachi and Maihejiyate. The elbow strike to the chest and a long stance. Same hand knuckle strike, Urakkenuchi. Follow it up by Gidanuke, the lower block, and a punch, Gakizuki, opposite hand punch, and a Kiai. Right after this, you are going to sweep with your right feet and a right hand strike with Stoni Mai. This. So from Zenkus Kodachi, you're going to go raising up your right feet up, Ashivarai, a sweep, and a strike, shoulder lift. Okay, this is Hekodachi. And now you will step forward and repeat the step. One time. Your left feet, Sanchandachi Churan, okay? Short stance with a middle block. Remember, at the back we do it only once. This step is done only once, okay? Follow it up with the back leg Maigiri with the right feet. And then the right leg extends to Zenkosu Kodachi. Elbow strike, Mahejiyate. A knuckle strike. Lower block with the same hand. And a Gakuzuki, opposite hand punch with a Kiai. But with that same hand, with the left hand here, you raise your left feet and strike in Hekodachi. Okay? In Hekodachi. Now, the last part of the kata, just try to understand this first. The left feet goes back and the left hand comes up. Watch. The left feet, you make a punch pulling it back. So from here, you make a punch pulling it back and then you take it back. This is called Awasezuki. Your left feet goes back and as I said, your left hand is up. So your left feet goes back and your left hand is up. Now you pull your left feet again and you reverse the change and the right feet goes back and the right hand punch. Awasezuki together. Watch. From here again. First, your left feet goes back, left hand up. Now you pull forward. Now the right feet goes back, right hand up. Okay? And then you finish the kata now. You just raise it up. See this. From the punch, you take it down. And you raise it. Take your right feet forward to Musubidachi, the attention position. Twist it out. Open your punch, side and power. This is a very good kata, children, which you can do. We have been practicing this quite a lot of time. So here at home you can practice it now precisely with the steps, because Sanchandachi is always back feet straight, front feet inside. Make sure that these all movements are done properly in the kata, because if you go for a tournament or if you participate in any event where the judges are going to see your kata and give you scores, these stances and these movements are very important. Two more important things, your punches. It should be very tight. It's going to be tight. I see many students keeping the thumb in and make a punch. No, this is wrong. Keep it out, strong and tight. Second thing, the pulling back. So when you are pulling back, make sure that your punch goes properly back. It's not that you keep your hands here. So you punch and this is a pull back. Pull back nicely. Okay? You practice this kata. I'll just show you this kata once again in slow motion, and then you can practice this on your own at home. Okay? Thank you.